All right, today we're going to be looking at how to create memories on the platform. And so the first thing we'll look at is I can go in and ask a couple questions. I could say, what is my favorite food and what is my favorite city? And it'll use the memories that we've stored already on the platform from previous conversations. So the memories are stored in partnership with a company called MemZero. And essentially, we will keep track of the user's information and then also the agent. So anytime there's a conversation between the user and agent, we basically save that as a response pair and then save that as a memory. So there's additional context when for further conversations. So this works across chats, across channels, things like that. So it says your favorite food is oven-baked crab and your favorite city, Barcelona. And so it's basically saying I've mentioned Barcelona and San Francisco. Which one should I choose your top favorite? I'll put SF is my top favorite. And once we have this, we can go in and we can actually see here in the memories, we'll have different users. And so you can see favorite city is San Francisco, despises when people eat in bed, and can share recipes, season ideas, things like that. So this is just a kind of quick example of how it works. If you want to see the actual user messages, we also have some of those as well. This will basically show you all the memories there as well. So if I go in here, refresh, we'll see with Diana, these are all the different ones. So favorite cities are Barcelona, oven-baked crab, and then different things. So you can see the user memory, the agent memory, things like that. So that's just an example of how this works. And if you wanted to create a new, let's say with Gloria, I wanted to create a new chat and I wanted to say my favorite color is blue, it would have a completely separate memory between you and this agent. So we do this for a couple of reasons. One, you could actually have very specific contexts with very specific agents. We're even thinking about a concept of doing shared memory. So you could have something that's shared across the entire platform, but in its current form, this is how we've essentially designed the memory pattern. So you could have essentially context very specific to every interaction. And if I go back into our memories now and I go into Gloria, we'll see we have a completely different set of memories for our interaction with Gloria. So that's how our memories works. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks so much.